Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you 10 tweaks which work on iOS 13, plus a couple of them work also on iOS 14, and I'm gonna be mentioning this in the description. First tweak is Easy Airplane Disabler. As you can see, I have enabled my airplane mode on my iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah, this is 11 Pro Max. Let me try and open Facebook. As you can see here, yes, this is the key point. So turn off airplane mode or use Wi-Fi to access data, which means that usually you don't have this option to turn off. Now you can just turn it off directly from this window. All right. The next tweak is called Electrifying. This is an awesome tweak. I want to really commend the developer, which is the Southern girl who code and who was kind enough to give me this few tweaks to show today. Now this enables customizes your battery experience, so you can set it up to have it first alert on 20% or whatever, then the second alert you can set it up to 10%. You can customize the color of the tweak. It's a paid tweak, by the way. Then you can have it you can have notification on your home screen if you want. You can have vibration enabled, etc., etc. So pretty cool tweak called Electrifying. The next one is called Escape. Now this tweak is pretty awesome, and it's from a well-known developer, Platicore, and you will see once you purchase this tweak, if you click on About, you will see my kind name here, iGeek, that I was testing these tweaks. I want to thank Platicore for including me in testing of the tweak. Now this helps you to avoid some very awkward situations by having a fake call enabled on your phone. So it can, you can go ahead and say, I need to get this call. So you enable it, you can have it vibrate, you can select a ringtone for this particular purpose, you can have flashlight enabled, and here you put the name of the person, fake person that you want to be called by. So I pulled Donald Trump just for fun of it, and you can select the delay time at once, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. You can have the silence on the other side, or you can have something speaking so people can hear actually that something is going on the other side. You enable the tweak Escape by double tapping on volume up. So you see, Donald Trump is calling me, right? You can accept, you can decline the call, right? So people can actually see the phone call. So it's pretty neat tweak. The next one is called Floating Dark Mode. When you enable it, you will see, as you can see, I have this tab here, so I can move it anywhere I want on my home screen. I can tap it and quickly move to the dark mode. See? Pretty cool tweak. The next tweak is pretty awesome as well. It's called Genesis 2, and you can have tons of customizations throughout your phone. You can customize your control center. As you can see, for example, I've included this rounded labels, so everything is rounded, plus I can see percentages here. Then what I also have, a lock screen, I can hide the unlocked text. You can do many other things. I've also customized how my clock looks like and my date. This is another cool feature. Then what else do we have? You can customize the power menu if you want. When you want, you can have a default, colorful, or power tap. You can customize the springboard in terms of customizing the dock, have more icons, customizing the folder. So it pretty much looks like those tweaks that we were used to, like links and springtomize. However, it does it slightly in a different way. But I appreciate these tweaks that it gives you more options that you can choose from. The next tweak is called iGeek copy. What's it called? iGeek copy comments. So you can just tap on the comments below. You can see the comments, and when you go inside them, you can actually see and just hold, and you can copy any comment you like on Instagram. This is one of the key tweaks today, and this is how my settings panel looks like. It's thanks to Riveria tweak, which is again by the Southern girl who code on Twitter. I'm really thankful that she shared this with me. So you can set up which of these options you want to have on your settings, and you can move some away, you can add whatever, and basically this is how the settings panel looks like. So if you like these kind of things, then Riveria is very nice and neat tweak. The next, again by the same developer, Sunset. This tweak, like all of them, have this pretty nice interface where you can interact with the developer, you can ask questions, right? And here you have the settings of the tweak. So the gesture, the Sunset gives you option to invoke your favorite contacts by simply selecting certain gesture. On the status bar, volume up, volume down, I chose to be shake. So when I do this, I have my favorite contacts here, and you can see that you can add different contacts, you can play however you want. So this appears everywhere, and until you click close, it won't go away. So this is the tweak Sunset, pretty cool tweak. And the last one by the same developer is called Twister, and I have to say I prefer this one. This is like the best, very simple tweak which enables you to have, let me go to display and brightness, you can have accent colors throughout your system. So it's not just light and dark, you can select indigo, teal, red, purple, or some other customized color, so that all of these toggles and everything takes this color. I chose, I chose indigo. So this is pretty awesome tweak called Twister. Last one does not have any specific settings, right? So when you go to your when you go to any of your videos and you play a video, you will hear, of course, yeah, this is my previous video. So what you do, it plays the video in the background. So this is another awesome tweak, another a free tweak, and I'm sharing the dep file in the description because it's still not available on Cydia. And this tweak is called Utopia. I'm gonna share this link in the description. So this is it. These are the latest 10 tweaks that work on iOS 13 and few of them on 14, and work very nicely on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Thanks.